Your surrogacy journey starts by filling out a simple application online. Once qualified, your surrogate outreach consultant will reach out to you to schedule a video chat. This is simply a time to get to know you better, discuss your medical history, your social support, everything about you. Once that's completed, you'll be offered documents to sign on with the agency. Once those are completed and you've gotten all of the collateral information back to your outreach consultant, they'll move you forward to intake. Intake's job is pulling your medical records, reviewing them thoroughly. They'll build your profile, which contains information from your questionnaire, photos you send, info from birth records. Once that's completed, they'll run background checks and send you forward to matching. Matching has the fun job. Matching is sharing your profile until there's interest from intended parents. When we do receive interest, you also get to view their information. Where are they from? Why are they pursuing surrogacy? What has their fertility journey been up till now? When there's interest from both of you, we'll set up a match meeting. Both parties will be on the line with our match expert, having good conversation about what's important to you in this journey. What are they looking for? When we have a confirmed match, that is when our candidate will start psych eval and medical screening. Psychological evaluation is so simple. It's an hour phone call. You're not going anywhere. Medical screening, however, is the first of 2 times we do ask you to travel for this journey. Anytime I talk travel, though, I'm talking about going to the parent's IVF clinic, wherever that's located. And any expense associated with that, flights, hotels, gas reimbursement, meal reimbursement, it's covered. We don't want you worried about that during your journey. So medical screening typically looks like we fly you out to the IVF clinic, you have full physical, ultrasound, blood work, the whole shebang, and we get you home. It's a very quick trip. Once the doctor reviews all those results and everything looks good, you'll receive medical clearance. That's when you're going to start the legal process. Legal is that contract between you and the intended parents. It defines your relationship, expectations for the journey, how many embryos you're willing to transfer. Because it is such an important document, you will be appointed an attorney that specializes in reproductive law, so they know what they're talking about. They will represent you and your best interests in this journey. When everyone's happy with the terms in there, signed, notarized, that's when you'll start meds and injections. These are simply hormones that prepare your body for embryo transfer. They are things like estrogen, progesterone, Lupron. They're things that make your uterus lining thicken, increase hormone levels, basically creating the perfect environment for that tiny embryo. During this time, we will be setting up some outside monitoring for you. So we'll find an IVF clinic that's close to your home that you can drive over to check how you're progressing, checking your uterus lining, checking your hormone levels, just making sure your body's responding appropriately to those meds. When all looks good and your cycle's in the right phase, we're going to get you back out, second and last time we ask you to travel, for embryo transfer. Embryo transfer typically looks like we fly you out, procedure typically same day, and then we will put you up in a hotel to rest for a day or two because most doctors do order bed rest after procedure still. We require a support system go with you for that journey, and we'll cover the expense of them being with you. After that time, we'll get you guys home. We're going to cross our fingers for that positive pregnancy test. And then around that 6 to 8 week mark, we will do fetal heartbeat confirmation. This is important because this is when your base compensation with the agency will kick in. And we'll touch on that in just a moment. After that, it's a normal pregnancy. You're going to routine OB appointments, routine ultrasounds, all local to you with an OB of your choosing that you establish. You're not traveling, accommodating parents' location, their IVF clinic, anything like that anymore. Same thing with delivery. You're delivering locally at a hospital nearest you. No need to travel. The parents will come to you for delivery. And that's it. That's the process in a nutshell.